Okay, for Honda CRV G2 2002 to 2006 version, installed for 9-inch Convex Android Master Series 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, DSP function, IPS screen with OEM G2 good fitting casing. IPS screen, multi-angle view, still the same color. Okay, OEM socket plug and play, and connect with a reverse camera. Okay, full menu. You have to go to the gray color setting, network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, pairing with your phone hotspot, connect for internet. Okay, system, about device, Android version 8.1, 4GB RAM. Okay, storage, 64GB. Okay, car setting, headlight turn on. Okay, when you turn your headlight, so we auto dim, and the button, left hand side button got the light. Let me show you again. Okay, navigation setting. When you play music with a GPS, both sound can play, so you can do the sound mixing here. Backlight, do the daytime and nighttime setting. System setting, factory setting. Factory password is 1617. Confirm. Okay. So you can do a back car setting here. Back car assisting line for player, if you not use your car reverse line. Okay. Phone, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. For Bluetooth call, it's got a mic input here. Or you can add on a Bluetooth mic extension mic, connect here. Okay, after pairing with your phone Bluetooth, you can click for the Bluetooth music to sharing your phone music to the car player, video input and video output. EQ, this is the DSP setting. Okay, let me show you for the music first. DSP. So you can, this is multi adjust, flexible adjust. So easy to control. You can do an EQ adjust. Okay, or it's got a preset here. Standard, a rock feel, popular, a jazz feel, or classical. Okay, you have to log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. Okay, nighttime driving, when you turn on the music, you can turn off the screen off. Okay, press anyway to turn it on. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Click the square icon, clear it one by one. or you can clear all. Okay, car setting, handbrake, turn off. Okay, so this is Convex Android Master Series, 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB, 9-inch big screen GPS player, IPS screen with OEM Honda CRV G2 casing, OEM socket plug and play. Okay, installed by OneBiz and video by Andy. Thank you.